Here's how you can add your Google Calendar to your Wix website. So what you need to do is find a place to put it, then go to Add Elements in the top right hand corner, then go to Search and just search for Calendar. Once you've done that, you can then scroll down and you've got Google Event Calendar, and you can share your own Google Calendar on your site. So click on Open, and then it will open the Wix app market. From here, we can go ahead and download Google Event Calendar. So click Add to Site. It is going to be free. Okay, so now once you've done that, your calendar will be added. You want to go ahead and resize this to the area you made room for. So here it is. We can resize this here. Now, what you want to do after you've resized it is go to Settings, and here you need to go ahead and connect your Google account. Now, to do that, all you do is you click on Connect Account, and it's going to open up all of the Google accounts that you've got signed in. I'm not going to do this for this video, but it will be there. You'll be able to then sign into your Google account. Once you're there, you can go ahead and see the calendars that you want to actually show. So you're going to have categories on your Google account, which you can go ahead and check. You can also choose the layout here and stuff like the display settings. Go ahead and play around with these settings, including the design area, which will be able to customize your calendar. But that's how you would do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.